Hi everyone. So today we have Blaupunkt Mannheim 23. It's from 1980s FM radio, and we did manage to install Bluetooth in this one also. So at first I'm gonna test the radio itself, and later I'm gonna show you how to activate the Bluetooth, okay? Okay, let's test the cassette. Let's see how it looks in the dark. Not much light here, but this is how it came from factory, and camera don't focus for some reason, but lights are okay. Now let's try forward. Works fine. So in order to activate the Bluetooth, simply press M. It's useless radio, we don't use it anymore, so instead we install the Bluetooth. So M, it's on. Now we go to our cell phone, turn on the Bluetooth, wait a couple of seconds, and here it is. Just press it. Now the Bluetooth is connected. Go to YouTube and play any music you want. Cool, right? All original looks. Nothing is being changed from outside, but the Bluetooth is in it. Okay, so when you want to back to normal radio, simply press U and you back to FM mode. Okay, thumbs up.